Welcome once again to Artemis Fowl's Inventions. I'm your host, Michael Warren Kopp, otherwise known as Artemis Fowl II. And today you might be wondering, why the heck am I wearing the Mark II? Well, today I'm here to demonstrate how I've reworked the arm system to the suit. This is a pretty simple design for those of you who know how to build my arms. So, you need basically two of these. And the way to work the pieces are simple. So you take your arm piece that goes here, right? Pretty simple for the beginning. Take your hand, put it on, then you attach the arm to the rest of the arm piece by sliding these two pieces down. You take these four pieces and you lock them in place. Now, I understand there are some limitations to this piece, so while I do have two arms, I'm not going to do a demonstration for both. To make my arm easier to move, I'm going to disengage pieces from the suit. See? So, now, taking the first piece from before, you lock it here, right about there. And you connect it to the blue piece back here. See? Then, take the same piece, connect it to the gray rod that's right here, this one right here, connect it to this blue rod here. I'm going to re-engage my suit. And then you have full working arm pistons. They cover your arm, make it easy to move, and they connect to the rest of the suit. It's fully stable when the arm is not in the suit piece, and it does work perfectly. I can move every piece. If you notice, the arm still has full mobility. Now, I can't do this, so I'm not going to. So, that's just one arm. I do have other arm pieces to demonstrate, but I'm not going to today. So now I'm going to take it off. Then just disengage two pieces. Make it easier, I'm going to just take this piece off. Then disengage two pieces here. Now, that wasn't the only thing I'm here for. The reason I was doing this entire demonstration in the first place was not just so I could bring back a demonstration of the arm. I'm going to take this off and then I'll show you the whole reason why I'm here. Now, you've seen me do this before. Actually, I have an idea. How about I do something completely unprecedented, probably never seen before in my videos. So you've seen me take it off from the front down, right? Today I'm going to do something a little different, just to shake things up a bit. There we go. Now, I don't remember if I've ever done that before in these videos, but that was demonstrating how the suit opens down the back. I did have a little complication because normally I have people do it for me, but today I decided to do it myself. Now, as you can see, this suit is just the exact same. But, now, you may be wondering, why the heck is Artemis Fowl saying it looks the exact same? Well, because of what I'm about to show you. Today I got a big surprise because it's really big. Today, I'm pleased to welcome you to meet my new friend, Mark 10. Wait for it. Wait for it. Here it comes. Meet Mark 10. It's nearly identical to the Mark II. And yes, I am putting it on. Interesting. Here we are. Ladies and gentlemen, I humbly present for your viewing pleasure the Mark 10. The Mark 10 is equipped with nearly every similarity to the Mark II. However, it has several different capabilities that are different. So, beforehand, it didn't have these. These are shoulder-mounted pieces that have springs that can be attached to them so that they can shoot mini projectiles. Airsoft capabilities include linking airsoft guns to the inside so that when you fire, the air pressure goes through a tube and shoots the bullet out of the hand pieces from the outside. The rest of the pieces design are exactly similar. Even the arc reactor is similarly removable and multi-movable. The Mark II armor is very similar. It has the same capabilities on both sides of the arm. The shoulder-mounted missile pieces have changed quite a lot, and have now moved down to the shoulder pads. Shoulder pads will be added later on. The rest of the pieces include the similarity to the folding sorry about that, guys. The folding chest piece panel. Exactly similar to the Mark II. Makes it easier to get in and out of. Recently when I built this thing, I didn't think I'd have enough pieces, but thankfully I had just enough to build this suit. So then yesterday I assembled it for the first time around my body, building it to make sure it felt safe and secure the exact same way I built the Mark II, building it piece by piece around my body. First I'd build the individual sections from the copy of the Mark II, then I'd actually put the sections onto me piece by piece and assemble them to be one coherent whole, making sure it fit every way. And if I ran out of pieces, I'd take parts of other suits and then mix them with other pieces to substitute. So this suit literally has parts of every suit I've ever shown you here. So, thank you very much for checking out this video. Oh, one last thing. If you've seen in my previous videos, I've made a K'NEX sonic screwdriver. Well, and probably in my other videos I've shown you this little beauty. This is the sonic screwdriver from Doctor number 11 and 12, but recently I'm getting the second sonic screwdriver from number 12. But a new sonic in real life means a new sonic in K'NEX. Meet my K'NEX 12th Doctor second sonic screwdriver. Nearly identical copy. Took out the claws, remade the entire frame. The frame's pretty much the exact same as the original first Sonic I made out of K'NEX. It's pretty cool. It's okay, I guess. But thanks very much for checking out my videos. Hope you'll like it. Subscribe to it. Comment if you need a suit built. You send me the designs. I'll build it. That contest is still going on. Haven't got any entries yet, so hit me up when you feel like you want something built. Until then, this is Artemis Fowl II, or Michael Warren Cobb, signing out. Peace, guys.